Well, looks like Credit Karma may owe about 500,000 of you some money. So if you were pre-approved for a credit card offer from Credit Karma, you applied to that offer only to get denied credit, and then your credit score went down, you may be part of this $3 million settlement that was issued against Credit Karma. So the Federal Trade Commission, also known as the FTC, says that Credit Karma misled hundreds of thousands of applicants and as a result lowered credit scores. This would have happened between 2018 and 2021, where Credit Karma sent out all of these offers telling consumers that they were pre-approved or had a 90% odd of being approved for credit cards and loans from lenders that promoted their financial products on the website of Credit Karma. And as a result, many of you went out, applied to these offers, got denied credit, wasted your time applying, saw your credit scores drop when the companies denied your application. So in January of 2023, the FTC finalized this settlement with Credit Karma, requiring them to pay $3 million and to stop these deceptive pre-approval practices, these claims. So the commission is sending out notices with claim IDs to nearly 500,000 of you who may have been impacted. So if you were denied credit after responding to a message from Credit Karma between 2018 and 2021, you may be eligible for a portion of this settlement. So be on the lookout for a letter or an email from the FTC that contains your claim ID, and you want to submit your claim by 11:59 p.m. on March 4th, 2024. You can also visit the ftc.gov/Credit Karma for more information, and they also have a telephone number listed with the claims administrator, so you can also call that number for more information. So just make sure you apply for this if it does impact you before March 4th of 2024.